Welcome to this video lecture. Myself Atul Kumar, working as a assistant professor in Department of Computer Science, Rajiv Gandhi Memorial, Government College, Jogindanagar. In this video lecture, I will discuss more about Microsoft Excel. So in this video lecture, I will basically discuss uh, important formulas like sum, difference, average, function, that are the basic formulas in MS Excel. So this video lecture is about basic mathematical formulas in Excel. So this video lecture is about basic mathematical formulas. So I have a data. I have created a table of student and weight. So we have different rows in this table, like Nikhil have a weight 45, we have Akhil with 34, Ayush with 56, Vinay with 67, Rama with 76, and Sushil with 54, Raju with 67. So we have another table I have created, that is to show you the use of autofill. So what is autofill or fill reference? That is fill handler. Suppose I want to um, just make a series of a difference or of make a difference of 3. Just select this and drag with left click pressing. So we have just created or automatically fill the series. Excel automatically fill the series with the difference of 3 between the two numbers, that is 1 4 7 10. So it will automatically fill the series with a difference of the numbers that we have given. So we have to use this basic mathematical formulas, and by using these mathematical formula we have to find the sum of the weight of Nikhil and Vinay, the difference between Rama and Nikhil weight, the sum of total weight of all the students, and the average weight of Nikhil, Ayush and Raju. So firstly, the first question here is how to find the sum of weight for Nikhil and Vinay. So we know, to apply a formula we have to just press or enter a equal to sign, and the first weight we have to find sum of Nikhil and Akhil. So the weight of Nikhil is 45. Just select this, that is C11, then plus then we have to add the Vinay weight. Vinay weight is 67. We have to select this and press enter. So the weight of or the sum of weight of Nikhil and Vinay is 112, and the formula here is equal to C11 plus C14. The next we have to find the difference in weight of Rama and Nikhil. So again press equal to, the weight of Rama is 72. Just select this cell, the reference to this cell is C15 minus. So we have to use here operator minus, and the weight of Nikhil is 45, and then press enter. So the difference between the weight of Rama and Nikhil is 31. Next we have to find the sum of total of all the students weight. So we have total number of 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7 students. So we have to find the total of all. The first way is to place equal to sign. Just select this weight C11, that is the weight of the Nikhil, then select the weight of the Akhil, then plus operator, then weight of Ayush, that is C13, then weight of Vinay, that is C14, then plus, then weight of Rama, then plus weight of Sushil, then plus, then weight of uh, Raju, that is C17, and press enter. So the total sum of all the weights of student is C17. The another way is inside a home tab we have a option of auto sum, and here there is an option when we click this option, then we have a predefined formula, and predefined formula in Excel is called as function. So we have a function here sum. Inside this function we can see here number 1, then number 2. So we can select the range or add the parameters. So the first parameter here is 45, and we have to go from 45 to 67. So range here is from 45 to 65, and then no, sorry, range here is from 45 to C11 to C15. Just look on this formula var and just press enter, and the weight is 399. So there are two ways in this to find the sum of numbers. One is simple operator, plus operator, and other by applying the formula, and other is by using the sum function. And inside a sum function you have to just add the range from where you want to sum to up to where you want the sum of the numbers. So in this way, these are the different ways you can use to find the sum of the numbers. The next we have to find here is the average of Nikhil, Ayush and Raju. So the first way is, how do we find the average weight of Nikhil, Ayush and Raju? So the weight of Nikhil is C11, that is, and then Ayush is C13 plus Raju is C17 divided by 3. So here the average weight is 123.333, but you can see here the weight of Nikhil is 45, then the weight of Ayush is 56, and the weight of Raju is 67. So why this average is like this? So we have made a mistake here in average formula. So we have to use apply here BODMAS, because it will just in this formula it is adding C11, content of C11 and C13, and the content of C17 by 3. So we have to just add 3 content, and then we have to divide this content. So we have to use the BODMAS formula. So BODMAS formula is we have to make use of brackets, and then we have to just press enter. So the average weight here is 56. So this is the one way to find the average of Nikhil, Akhil and Raju. The other way is to insert a formula by using a built-in function, that is a predefined formula. So to insert a function, just press this fx insert function, and here you can select here average. So just click OK, and now what is the first number for which you want to find the average? The first number is the average of Nikhil. So Nikhil, the weight of Nikhil is 45. So just select here 45. The second number here is the weight of Ayush, that is just select here the average of C13. The third number here is Raju, so just select here, and the way the number 3 is C17. Then just click OK, and again we have the same result, that is 56. So in this way you can use different functions, built-in functions, and functions in MS Excel are predefined formulas to calculate or to manipulate the data in MS Excel. So thanks for watching this video lecture.